I have this heart wreath frame from the Dollar Tree, and I also found this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start by wrapping the ribbon around my wire wreath. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to tie the beginning, and as you're going, you want to pull pretty tightly, and then every so often hit it with a hot glue gun. And this is just going to keep your ribbon from unraveling. And when you go around the curves of the heart, you're going to want to probably hit it with the glue every couple turns as you're trying to maneuver the ribbon around the bend. And then towards the end, do the same thing. This is going to give you a nice, secure, wrapped wreath form. This did take up a whole roll of the ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And then you're just going to want to fold that last piece. And I just fold it towards the back. Once that's all taken care of, I found these really cute bows from the Dollar Tree. They came in red and silver. They are sticky bows, but I took the sticker right off and then hot glued them in the corner. And I alternated the red to the silver, and it just matched my ribbon perfectly. And I put 3 on the corner. I then found this heart also from the Dollar Tree. I removed the hanger and I painted it black. I'm using my black Wise Owl. You can get these 2-ounce samples at chocolatefancy.com. And I liked how you could still see the grain coming through the heart. I'm going to glue this black heart underneath my wreath so that it's just showing through the center. I found this Hugs and Kisses, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to spray it in my silver Rust-Oleum. And once that's dry, I'm going to hot glue it in the center of my black heart, pulling this entire wreath together. All these items were pretty much dollar store, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chocolatefancy.com. Thank you so much.